So check this out. I have something new that has actually made it into my pouch for an everyday carry. You have to see this. So what made it into my pouch, which is something that's rare because it has to be something I like to use all the time, and it's right here when I need it, is this. This is a MetMo Pocket Driver. So I was introduced to the MetMo Pocket Driver via an email saying, hey, we want you to check this out, the Pocket Driver, give us your thoughts on it, and if you like it, shoot a video. Well, guess what? I really like this, and it has to be really good because it's now a permanent addition in my Sedgeley pouch. So I'll have all the links down below for the company, MetMo. It's actually short for Metal in Motion. It is an amazing website. You'll see all the machining they do. Their commitment to excellence, precision, and quality is unbelievable. Hopefully in this video I can show you this pocket driver and how robust it is and how precise it is. It is a ratcheting pocket driver that is so perfect. There are so many little fine details. The devil's in the details on this pocket driver. But for me, it sounds funny, I want something that is rugged, of high quality, that when I reach for it, I know it works. I know I can torque the heck out of everything I need to do, loosen everything, and everything is just right where it needs to be. Hopefully I do it justice in going through all the features on this pocket driver. One of the first things I do is, because I just got used to it with my drill drivers, is right here it takes all 1/4-inch hex tips and pieces. But the first thing is I always check to see if it's magnetic, and it is. The magnet's right in here. So this allows you in this form with a screw bit tip here to actually use it in a vertical position in line. It's easy to get into places like this or tight spots because this is in line. But what if I need more torque on a screw or a lag or whatever? I could remove that, flip it open, and now I have this big lever here to get so much more torque. And now I'm ready to go. So of course it's ratcheting, which I really like in a pocket driver, but it's a 1-finger operation for forward and reverse. Okay, it's just this little brass pin that I can just take it, press it, and flip it over, and now I'm in reverse, and vice versa. It is so smooth, it's ridiculous. So whenever I have purchased a socket set, I grab the driver and I listen and see how fine the clicks are. And this is one of the first things I did with this MetMo Pocket Driver. I was listening to it going, oh, is that precision? You can just hear it, but it's a fine ratcheting mechanism inside. So there's a little spring-loaded ball catch, and that locks it into the inline position. So under the ball catch, it's a little area here, a little compartment. You can put a couple of bit tips. It comes with a couple bit tips, so you can have that readily accessible. So my MetMo now lives right here in this part of the pouch. It's my everyday carry. But underneath my tape, I also have this bit tip holder. So I have all of my common bit tips that I use. It's really easy. This breaks apart and stores like this, and now it also stores right there. You have forward on this side. You can take it up, and if you set it like that, it locks it in, or you could take it, move it over here, and now it's in reverse. So it's pretty simple. You can do it with one finger. That's forward, and it's that quick. The ratchet's external on this. It's beautiful. So where I find this really handy is I just put in a posi drive number 2 screw tip, bit tip, and I love this for adjusting my reveals on all my cabinets. So I can come in here and with that posi drive do all my adjustments. This is a must-have for cabinet hinge adjustments. This will accept all 1/4-inch drives, even Central Tech, because it's all 1/4-inch across the flats. And I love this feature because you can use all your nut runners in there and all your hex drive adapters. And I have this 3/8 hex drive. I'll put it in there and I'm ready to drive these lags in. So driving a lag into this wood, of course I've pre-drilled it. If I use it in line like this, I can't develop the torque I need. So that is why this handle here, as it swivels out, I can get so much torque on this. And this is where I've used products like this before, and as soon as I start using it where I need a lot of torque, they break. This is an amazing tool. It just works, and that's what I wanted, something that just works. It's right there every time I need it, and I'm getting these shears ready. Just grab the socket, and I can take it apart. It's always right there, handy dandy in my pouch. With all the torque you can put on this, and everywhere I can use this, this is so well built. You know what? This will last generation after generation after generation. It's the last one I'm gonna own. That's why it lives in my pouch. So as we always say from the SedgeTool shop, be positive, stay sharp, and we mean wicked sharp.